Next, let us understand how to use indicators. In spite of hundreds of indicators in existence, there is no single indicator that is perfect. Each indicator has its own strength and weakness. This brings us to the second golden rule in stock trading. There is no holy grail. This simply means there is no one single indicator that one can depend upon at all times to make money in stock trading. Hence, we should use a combination of indicators. But we should not use too many indicators, otherwise our trading system will become complex and difficult to implement. We should use very few indicators so that our trading system is lean and easy to follow. I use just 2 or 3 indicators for all my trading and it works excellent. I will share with you in later sutra my exact trading system, the indicators I use and how I use them.